You don't have to love fabrics very much to love this group. I'm so excited to bring it to you. So we've got Lafayette 148 and Nili Lotan, and I'll show you these both. This is denim from Lafayette 148. It is incredible. It's one of a kind. It's rare to get, and we have it, and I'm excited. It's a true denim. It's got a white and a navy cross thread with a twill pattern, so it's traditional. It has stretch in one direction. It feels, oh, it's wonderful. It's just really beautiful. So it's a stretch denim, 100% cotton. It is from Lafayette 148. I put in here just this check, this reversible, 100% cotton. We've had some of these before. This is a new one though we just got in. It's got this blue, and I thought that blue looked so cool with denim, but it was just a really nice mix. The blue also looks good. So this is 100% cotton. It's a woven and reversible. This blue also looks good with this. This is kind of a, it's not a royal, but sure it's pretty. Just a really pretty color blue. 100% cotton. It has a slight stretch. It's not a real stretchy fabric. It's firm, but it's beautiful. And like I said, 100% cotton. From Nili Lotan, we have 100% cotton. It's a mini stripe. It's a true shirting. It's reversible on both sides. These are, her shirts are like $800, $900. This is the fabric they're using. It's beautiful, 100% cotton. I put this in because it's just a really beautiful, like a navy a navy rayon knit. It has stretch in both directions. Great drape, beautiful fabric. Like I said, 100% rayon, just lovely. And you can see the navies go with this, the navies go with the denim. It just all looks really nice together. And then we have this Lafayette 148. This is a mini check. It's navy and white, stretch woven, 100% cotton. They're just beautiful. I mean, they're just so exciting. So I put that in with the navy. They're just so pretty. They're just cool. So, you know, the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.